Hey everyone, it's Love and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a wig review for Original Queen. I got this from Amazon. I got it like a few months ago, but I never got around to doing the video. It's a lot going on, but I'm finally doing it now. And I just have this straight, I believe it's 18 inches. Do not mind my little wig stand. So it just came with the adjustable wig thing attached to it. The knots pretty much just already bleached. I put like a little bit of makeup on it, and then of course it has 3 combs here, which I need to cut off, that I never got around to cutting off. But there we have it. It definitely needs some work. It's been sitting in the closet for quite some time. And it actually came with like a wig cap. So it actually came with 2 of the wig caps, and then that white thing was just something to hold it in place. Here's their pamphlet telling you how to get in contact with them again if you want to buy from them again. Now this part I'm going to do a voiceover on because I am doing an install, but I am not a pro at doing an install, so I can't really show you guys like a tutorial yet. But you can comment down below if you want like a full tutorial, because I did like learn how to do it while I did this video. All I did was watch the She Natural, I don't know if that's how you pronounce her name, but I watched her on YouTube and she showed like an easy method, an easy glueless method to do, and that's what I followed. So I'm gonna link her video down below. Now flat iron it was very easy. I just wish it was more thick. But only thing I can say is that literally like a few hours later it will start like curling up again. But this is a straight hair texture, so just keep that in mind. It does not really stay straight. So like I got baby hairs today. I'm sweating, so they coming laying right down. So I'm gonna attempt to lay the baby hairs.
Think I might be over my troubles.
Yeah, overall, I like the hair. I would say that. So this is just what it looks like now. I probably could go over with a flat iron like one more time maybe, but I don't know, I'm just looking at it from the camera. I would say the things I don't like is that, you know, it's kind of like weight, but that's all depending on what kind of density that you like. So, kind of like it like this. Yeah, probably. But that's all depending on what kind of density that you like. So keep that in mind. If you like thicker hair, make sure to get the thicker density. But it's pretty lightweight, so I guess it's not that bad, especially with it being summertime right now. It was actually pretty much easy to do since it had like the little adjustable adjustable band in the back and then the 3 combs. Sometimes it does hurt, like after a while I do have to like loosen it up because it hurts too much. So I think I might opt to get like the kind that's like a brush up with all those little pieces that you can just pull and get it to your right desired tightness or whatever. And it was pretty much easy to do. I remember I had one somewhere and someone literally was all like, oh my god, like, who did your hair? Where did you get your hair? And I didn't even do anything to it. Like, this is my first time styling the unit, and she literally thought that it was like undetectable. Like, she thought it looked so good. So I didn't even have to do that much to it. The baby hair is laid naturally, so that was pretty cool, especially with the sweat. The price was pretty good, so. Hey y'all, so I ran out of space, but overall this product was definitely amazing. I recommend it. So if you guys haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.